Right, here is the Starcraft. Sleeps 9 to 10 people comfortably. It's an outdoor kitchen. Two air conditioners. It runs off a 50 amp service. Island kitchen. The bunk area sleeps 4 comfortably and has a television and its own air conditioner. Island kitchen, U-shaped dinette. Sofa sleeper. Another TV, so it has 3 televisions. Has a stereo system as well. Television in the master bedroom with a king bed. And has an all-enclosed bathroom with a low-step shower. If you have any questions, go ahead and check us out online at www.lakehavasu.rentals or call us at 928-733-6177. Action Line Rentals.